Are you interested in launching a career in digital marketing? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll provide you with the ultimate roadmap to mastering digital marketing and kickstarting your dream career. So, let's get started. Step 1. Start with the basics. Familiarize yourself with the core concepts of digital marketing, such as SEO, SEM, social media marketing, and content marketing. Building a strong foundation is essential for your success. Step 2. Dive deeper into each of these areas. Focus on one aspect at a time and gain specialized knowledge. This will make you an expert in the field and give you a competitive edge. Step 3. Practice, practice, practice. Apply your newfound knowledge by working on real projects. Create your own website or help a friend optimize theirs. This hands-on experience is invaluable and will significantly boost your confidence. Step 4. Stay up to date with the latest trends and developments. Digital marketing is an ever-evolving field, and it's crucial to stay ahead of the game. Follow industry leaders, read blogs, and attend conferences to keep your skills sharp. Step 5. Network, network, network. Connect with professionals in the industry and join relevant communities online. Building relationships will open doors to exciting opportunities and collaborations. Step 6. Get certified. Earn certifications from reputable organizations to validate your skills and enhance your credibility. Employers value certified professionals, so it will give you an added advantage during job interviews. Step 7. Never stop learning. Commit to lifelong learning and embrace continuous improvement. Digital marketing is constantly evolving, and to stay at the top of your game, it's crucial to stay curious and open to learning new techniques. Remember, success in digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. Embrace challenges, be adaptable, and always strive for excellence. By following this roadmap, you'll be well on your way to mastering digital marketing and achieving your dream career. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights. Happy marketing!